Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic site and store marketing. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. The Bitrix24 marketing powered website creation platform feature a wide choice of tools to nurture your client base and reach out to them with your promotional message, email, SMS, telephony, Facebook, and Google Ads, and more. You can do the email marketing up to 10 lakh emails per month. The email templates are editable. You can uh, you are provided the smart email and automation into it. So you can create the powerful email marketing from the Bitrix24. Use one of our template or create your own email from scratch. Pick a segment from your client base and bulk send up to 10 lakh emails per month. You can click on the email campaign, and after clicking on the email campaign you can select any template and design your own template and send it to the customers. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.